September is one of my favorite months because we're celebrating Emily's birthday. To celebrate, I'm dedicating my September bullet journal setup to my daughter, Emily. Congratulations, baby! I'm wishing my daughter the best birthday ever and a life full of health, happiness, and prosperity. Follow along with me and let's create our September journals. I will be using Emily's design for the cover page, plus new zebra mild liners and some stickers. Next, I'm using my black Pilot pen to trace the letters and the birthday banner that I created. I'm also adding some doodles for gift boxes and a birthday cake. It was so much fun to decorate this cake, and the best part is using my new mild liners. The colors I used are blue-green, vermilion peach, and brown. Next, I continued drawing the birthday banner using my stencil and making sure the letters are correctly drawn. Using the zebra mild liners, I filled in every letter in the banner. I really like the combination of colors that Emily selected, especially the combination of the blue-green and that peach color. And finally, I am adding some confetti and stars to make sure it looks well decorated. Moving on to my habit trackers, I decided to only track 3 habits this month. I will be tracking my meditation, mood, and sleep. I'm most interested in finding out what my mood is like for this month. I've been noticing there's a lot of connection between my lack of sleep and when I get very anxious. And here is a closer look of my habit trackers. I added some stickers and some fun decorations. This month, I am combining my gratitude and daily review pages. This is going to help me keep track of all the positive things that happened during the month. The gratitude page is definitely one of my favorite pages in my bullet journal. Next, I'm setting up my weeklies. I started out writing the month on the top of the page and the dates on the right side. I really like using this type of setup because I can see the 7 days of the week in one page, and on the next page I like to see my tasks and goals together. I also enjoy using the stencils to mark the dates on the weekly setup. For the month of September, I'm trying out a list of tasks and goals. This is going to help me track things that I need to accomplish for the month. September is a very busy month at work. I have multiple reports, multiple deadlines, and so many projects to complete. I need to be extra organized in order to achieve all these goals and tasks. As you can see, I carried out the same theme throughout the next few weeks of the setup. I like it because it is so easy to follow, and I enjoy looking at the simple squares to add my task and goals. I'm trying out 2 new things in my journal this month. First, listing all the things I learned, and second, trying the doodle per day. This is where I will draw anything positive to highlight during that day, especially if it's something that made me happy. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see the completed Doodle Once a Day page. And finally, here is the flip through for this month of September. I hope you enjoy this birthday theme setup. And remember to subscribe, follow, like, and share. Thanks again for watching, and see you in October.